I spent a fortune on what the store called ultimate blackout blinds, only to wake up at 5 in the morning with a halo of sunlight blasting me right in the face. It turns out, fixing a bright room is not just about picking the darkest fabric. You can waste hundreds of dollars on the wrong setup and still ruin your sleep. Today, I am breaking down the real truth between blackout curtains and blinds, and by the end, you will know exactly which one actually delivers pitch black. The physics of light bleed and total darkness. Most people buy a blackout blind mounted directly inside the window frame and assume the problem is solved. But light is completely unforgiving. It acts exactly like water finding the path of least resistance. When you install an inside mount blind, you are basically guaranteeing a small but significant gap on the left, the right, and usually the bottom. You are basically guaranteeing a glowing rectangular border of light around all 4 edges of your window. The blind material itself might block 100% of the sun, but that persistent halo effect is more than enough to wake up a sensitive sleeper, frustrate a night shift worker, or completely ruin a home theater experience during the day. If you try to mount the blind outside the frame to fix this, it often looks bulky and awkward, floating off the wall and still letting light spill out from behind the roller mechanism. Curtains change this dynamic completely, but only if you understand how to mount them. If you buy a standard curtain and hang it directly over the glass, you get the exact same light bleed. You have to go high and wide. I am talking about placing the hardware several inches above the actual window frame and extending the rod far past the sides. When the heavy fabric overlaps the drywall itself, it creates a physical trap. The light simply has nowhere to escape. If absolute cave-like darkness is your ultimate goal, curtains give you the physical dimensions required to completely eliminate the bleed. You can even use small magnetic strips on the edges to pin the fabric directly to the wall for a perfect seal. Managing your room temperature and thermal mass. Windows are essentially giant holes in your wall structure where heat aggressively enters during the summer and rapidly escapes during the winter. A standard roller blind sits very close to the glass. That might seem highly efficient, but it seriously lacks physical mass. Most modern blinds are just a single thin layer of stiffened polyester or vinyl. They might successfully stop the direct, blinding glare of the afternoon sun from fading your hardwood floors, but they do very little to halt the actual transfer of ambient heat into your room. Even specialized cellular blinds, which have little honeycomb pockets to trap air, only offer a marginal improvement when temperatures get extreme. Now look at a proper, high-quality blackout curtain. You are dealing with significant layers of heavy fabric. There is usually the decorative face fabric, a densely woven inner layer, and a thick acrylic coating bonded to the back. This sheer physical mass creates a dedicated pocket of dead air between the interior of your room and the cold glass of the window. That trapped air is an incredibly powerful insulator. During a freezing winter night, pulling heavy curtains shut physically keeps the warmth contained inside your bedroom where it belongs. In the scorching summer, they block the radiant heat from baking your space. You might actually notice a legitimate drop in your monthly energy bills just by choosing the heavier layered material over a thin piece of vinyl. The thermal difference is something you can literally feel when you walk into the room. The echo chamber effect and room acoustics. If you live near a busy street or in a dense neighborhood, you know exactly how maddening car tires, sirens, and barking dogs can be at 2 in the morning. Hard surfaces reflect sound waves. Glass windows, painted drywall, and hardwood floors bounce every single acoustic vibration right into your ears. Unfortunately, blinds are also hard surfaces. A rigid roller blind, a faux wood slat blind, or an aluminum shade will do absolutely zero to soften the harsh noise bleeding in from the outside world. In fact, if the window is open even a crack, a rigid blind will often rattle against the frame in the breeze, creating even more unwanted noise when you are trying to rest. Heavy blackout curtains act like massive acoustic dampeners. The thick, rolling folds of fabric physically absorb sound waves before they have a chance to bounce around your bedroom. Let me be clear, they will not magically soundproof your room. You will still hear a loud motorcycle driving past, but they significantly muffle the sharp, high-frequency sounds and completely eliminate the hollow, empty echo that can make a bedroom feel cold and sterile. It is a very subtle psychological shift. A quiet, acoustically deadened room instantly feels more relaxing and protective. It tells your brain it is time to shut down and sleep. When you remove that harsh echo, the entire atmosphere of the space changes from a basic box to a comfortable sanctuary. The aesthetics and managing your floor space. We need to critically evaluate how these two options actually live and breathe in your room. Blinds are the absolute dream for minimalists. They sit neatly and tightly tucked inside the window frame. They do not pool on the floor, they do not block your heating radiators, and they never cover your return air vents. If you have a particularly small bedroom, a slim blind keeps the walls feeling completely open and visually uncluttered. You can push a nightstand, a reading chair, or a work desk directly under the window without any annoying fabric getting in the way of your furniture. They disappear when you roll them up, giving you an unobstructed view of the outside. Curtains, conversely, demand serious space. They need physical room on the wall to stack nicely when you pull them open during the day. If you have very narrow walls between your windows, a bulky stacked curtain can make the entire wall feel crowded and messy. But curtains also bring a powerful design advantage that blinds simply cannot match. They add incredible vertical height and dramatic texture to an otherwise boring room. When you hang a curtain rod just a few inches below the ceiling line and let the fabric barely kiss the floor, it tricks the human eye. It makes the ceiling feel drastically taller and the window feel much larger than it really is. It brings a visual softness to the hard architecture that you simply cannot replicate with a flat, rigid blind. The daily chore of maintenance and cleaning. Well, let us get into the harsh reality of living with these things over the long term. Dust accumulation is inevitable in any house. A flat roller blind is arguably the easiest window treatment in the world to keep clean. You literally take a slightly damp microfiber cloth, you wipe it down from top to bottom once a month, and you are completely done. There is no unhooking, no heavy lifting, and absolutely no specialized cleaning processes required. Even cellular shades just need a quick pass with a soft brush vacuum attachment to clear out the dust. You do not have to plan your weekend around cleaning them. Curtains require a genuine commitment to maintenance. Taking down wide, floor-length curtains is a heavy chore. The fabric is bulky, awkward to carry, and you have to patiently remove dozens of tiny metal drapery hooks before you can even think about cleaning them. Worse, you cannot just throw many true blackout curtains into your household washing machine. The intense spinning cycle and harsh detergents can easily melt, crack, or peel the acrylic blackout backing, which completely ruins their ability to block light. You almost always have to haul them to a professional dry cleaner. That takes up your time and costs real money. You really have to weigh how much you personally value that cozy, dramatic aesthetic against the sheer convenience of a simple 5-minute wipe down. The unseen costs and final verdict. Cost is rarely as simple as looking at the initial price tag on the shelf. You can certainly buy cheap paper blinds, and you can buy cheap, thin curtains. But if you want high-quality materials that actually block the sun without looking like a plastic garbage bag taped to your glass, you have to invest. Custom blinds that fit your specific window dimensions perfectly will cost a premium. Bottom line, there is no single universally correct answer here. only the right answer for your specific daily habits and the demands of your room. If your absolute priority is creating a pitch-black environment, improving the room acoustics, hiding ugly window frames, and boosting thermal insulation, you need to go with curtains and hang them high and wide.